Welcome to Rosie's STEM Python indexing tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about both positive and negative indexing. So let's dive deep and explore the magic of Python together right here on Rosie's STEM. First, let's talk about what indexing means. So indexing is a key that helps you unlock a particular element in your data structure, similar to finding a particular page in a book or locating an item in a step. So Python indexing allows you to make use of those data structures that you've created. So let me go ahead and open my handy Jupyter notebook. If you're not familiar with Jupyter notebooks and want to learn more, see my video right here. Otherwise, just follow along. First, let's talk a bit about indexing string. This first cell here creates a string that says hello Python, and it saves that string inside the variable message. I can get elements out of this string by using square brackets and giving the index of the element that I would like. Indexes in Python start with 0. It's a 0 index language. And for instance, if I wanted to get the letter P, I could count from 0 all the way up to the index of P. In this case, H is 0, E is 1, L, L, O is 2, 3, 4, 5 for the comma, 6 for the space, and then 7 for the P. So I can look at index 7, a message, and it'll give me the P in Python. In strings, each character has its own index, and spaces and punctuation are treated as characters just as much as letters. We can also index lists. So here I have a list of fruits: apple, banana, orange, and grapes. So here you can see my list. It is also 0 index, so apple would be at index 0, banana at 1, orange at 2, and grapes at 3, even though there are 4 elements in the list. If I wanted to get banana out of my list, I would look for the index 1, which is where banana lives. And when I run that, I get the name banana. Python also allows for negative indexing. Negative indexing means we can count backwards. So for example, fruits -1 counts from the back of the list and would give us grapes. Since apple is 0, going back 1 from apple to -1 brings us back around to grapes. Orange would be -2, banana -3, and so on. This allows us to grab elements from the end of the list without having to know how long that list is. So when I run this, fruits -1 will give me grapes. We can also index arrays in the same way that we would index lists. So for example, if I import NumPy and use NumPy to turn this list of integers into an array, you can see my array right here. And if I grab the first element in numbers, it's going to give me not 10, but 20, because 20 is at index 1. And then if I ask for the negative second element, it's going to give me the element that is second from the end of the list, in this case, 40. So there you have it. You've mastered Python indexing. Being able to index in Python allows you to manipulate data in strings, lists, arrays, and even data frames down the line. So I hope that this tutorial shed light on Python indexing for you. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and also any tricks that you enjoy for Python indexing. And don't forget to subscribe to Rosie's STEM for more engaging STEM content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious.